Monday anxiety is real. Your nervous system is in overdrive, and your aura is picking up everyone else's stress, and you haven't even started your week. In the next 8 minutes, we are resetting the vagus nerve, the body's main off switch for anxiety. Your vagus nerve is cranial nerve 10, and it runs from your brain all the way down through your throat, your heart, and your gut. And when you're anxious, your sympathetic nervous system is activated. Your vagus nerve is the parasympathetic highway that tells your body it's safe now. Science shows that vagus nerve activation drops cortisol by up to 23% in minutes. But here's the energy piece. When your nervous system is calm, your aura stops contracting. You become a magnet for higher frequencies instead of a magnet for total chaos. So let's activate it. The first thing we're going to do is what's called the 4-7-8 breath. We're going to inhale for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do this 4 times. This stimulates the vagus nerve directly. And now do a cold water splash on your face, not necessarily right in this moment, but as you're doing the activation, you will do a cold water splash on your face. The other option is you could take ice cubes and just hold them on your cheeks for 15 seconds. And this triggers the dive response, instantly calming your nervous system. And then finally, humming or om. The vagus nerve loves vibration. So you can just go, doesn't have to be anything special, or just simply use oh. Going to hum for 30 seconds at a low pitch and feel that vibration in your throat and in your chest. That's your vagus nerve waking up. And now visualize as your nervous system settles. Imagine your aura shifting from frantic red orange to calm blue teal. You're not just calm, you're energetically grounded. And you're ready for your week. So repeat this every Monday and watch how your energy shifts. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried any of these? The 8-7-4, splashing cold water on your face, ice cubes on your cheeks. Notice how you begin to feel calmer, or just doing the humming or the om. Let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you next Monday.